Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your NewRez account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in NewRez. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as newrez.com. In my case, it's the first one. So tap on it. And now we are in the official website of NewRez. Now to log in, tap on the sign in button which is on the top right of your navigation bar. Then scroll down a little bit, and here you have two options: sign in to your NewRez account or PHS mortgage account. Currently, we are trying to log into our NewRez account, so tap on sign into your account of this NewRez section. And now you need to provide your login credentials to log into your NewRez account. So go ahead and type in your username in the text field given for username. Then type your password in the text field given for password. You can tap on this eye icon to see and verify whether you have typed in your password correct or not. You can check this box that says remember my username so that you don't have to provide your login credentials next time you log in. Now also check this box to agree the user terms and privacy policy. Now to log into your NewRez account, all you gotta do is tap on this login button and you will be successfully logged in if your credentials are correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries and questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.